Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. Looky-loo, look what I got. A Yeolume. So this video is part of a monthly collab that I've been hosting. Every month I do a different theme. For the month of July 2022, the theme is Dream. And this has been a doll that, oddly enough, I had never dreamed I would actually have, okay? Because even though I wanted her for a really long time, she was not easy to get. I saw her years ago on Angie's channel, Omacha Crush. I'm saying that totally wrong. She showed this doll, and then I watched a bunch of other people on YouTube with this doll, but I just couldn't find the doll anywhere. And basically, at that time, from what I could gather, she was basically impossible to get. And then, as luck would have it, out of nowhere, okay, I saw that the Pull-Up Styles site had her, and not only did they have her new in box, she was at a fairly reasonable price. I had a feeling that if I ever found her, she would be crazy expensive and I wouldn't be able to afford her. But alas, luckily I was wrong. Look how cute she is. She reminds me a lot of Blythe, and sort of like a cross, because she's got like a body from what I understand, so sort of similar to a pull-up slash Blythe. All right, so she is just so adorbs, and like I said, the price was right. So yeah, I'm gonna get her out of the box and see what she's like. All right, I opened her up here. Let's pull her out, take a look-see before I get all the parts and pieces out. All right, I do not know at this time of filming and editing and posting this video. I'm filming way ahead, so I do film like batches of videos at a time because it's just easier for me to do that on the weekends and then edit as I go throughout the week in the evening. So I don't know if Pull-Up Style still has her, but you can check. And I have bought from them multiple times. I think all but two pull-ups I've gotten from them. Otherwise, all my pull-ups are from them, and I've been very happy. So here's her little hair bow. She's in a little schoolgirl outfit. It just is so cute. Now, I believe her body is, I want to say it's like a body, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I guess we'll find out. So yeah, typical. She's in there, lots of tape. So I'm not going to show you me pulling her all out of the box. I'll do that off camera and then show you all of the stock and the dolly. All right, I'm back. I thought this was interesting. Look at the background of the box. I didn't notice that till I was taking her out. As a teacher, this kind of, oh, look, I forgot this. This kind of speaks to me. Oh, she's got a little bag. I almost left it in there. All right, so got her back. Okay. So yeah, obviously she's a schoolgirl. She's got a schoolgirl uniform on. This is a really cute box. I mean, I don't keep boxes just because I just don't have room. I mean, you know, I got to keep the room for the dolls and the doll paraphernalia. All right, so before we look at her, this is hilarious. So this was inside the box, like just slipped in there on the side. And it says Yeolume, the first story of Yeolume, Podo. Don't know what that means. So this is Pull-Up's future daughter. Meet Yeolume. Everyone should have a daughter like her. Her sparkling eyes, adorable nose, charming lips. She would look, supposed to say, perfectly cute in, not sure what. Yeolume is an innocent little girl with a lot of charm. Yeolume seems naive, but truly amazes people. Okay. And then they have her profile here. So her name is Yeolume, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. She is 10 years old. She is an elementary school girl. She loves Panju, Morph, Disguise, Learning Magic, Collection Doll. Oh, she's a doll collector. That's nice. Pudding. That's nice. And Mama's Rice. And there's her website, yeolume.com. That's cute. All right. That's cute. This I will keep. So this is nice. Since I can't keep the box, I can keep this little stuff. I do have a little place where I keep little things like that. All right. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, so here is a little tote bag that has a purse image on it. That's unusual. A purse of a purse. Looks like it's just made out of cotton. It's a working little tote bag. That's cute. I mean, girl needs a tote bag because, you know, she's got books and stuff, so always got to have tote bags. And then these cute shoes. They didn't put the shoes on her. They have her socks on. But these little shoes, these look like just little slip-on shoes. I'm probably going to keep her in her stock for a good while if I ever even change her out, because I just love the look of her. Oh, they have their little high heels even. They're little kitten heels. Not flats. That's interesting. For a 10-year-old's wearing kitten heels. Okay. Alright. I would have thought she'd have Mary Jane's or something, but you know. And then here's this headband. It's got a ribbon on it. And the ribbon is, oh, that's interesting. It's attached. So when you put it on her, this is going to put, you have to be, okay, this is the front. Okay, that's the front. This is going to be the back. Because this you can't move this off of the band. All right, well, we'll put that on her too. When we get everything off of her, well, I'll definitely put on all her stock. So she is, her head, of course, is a little bit heavy, but she's a pretty lightweight doll. She is, you know, especially after getting a couple of rainbow highs, I got to say, she's quite a bit lighter. I love her haircut. She's got the straight bangs and then these longer bangs. How cute is that? The tiny little ear. Now her eyes, oh, okay, so the eyes, okay, the eyes move back and forth. They don't close or anything. Typically the pull-up dolls, you can close their eyelids and open them. They don't change color like Life dolls, but you can open and close your eyes. I do have a number of pull-ups. I think I've done a video where I've shown all my pull-ups, so and I have a playlist with pull-ups if you want to see my pull-up collection, which isn't huge, but it's very select and I think pretty nice. All right, so she has one little curl here and this other little curl. And I am not going to brush this hair, folks. I have learned, because it will probably frizz up on me. And it's cute, just like it is. Two little, whoop, her head's just swimming around. Two little curls like that. I think I'm just going to leave that. Yeah, her head's very, very wobbly, I guess you could say. And, okay, she's got plastic around her legs. And her feet are pointy. Her toes are pointed. All right. Try not to touch her hair too much. Like I said, she's probably going to be just a display doll and hang out in my curio with my pull-up dolls. All right. Look at those little look at these little socks. Oh my gosh. Tiny little toes. Now her legs, yeah, they bend, but they have wire in them. So I'm going to be careful. So they're like the Leica dolls or Leica dolls, L-I-C-C-A. They don't have snap joints or anything like that. And they're not jointed dolls. They just have a wire in the leg, and then you bend the wire like that. And the same with the arms typically, though. I don't think her arms don't feel like they bend at all. Nope. And let's see, how does this little thing work? So her little jacket, I think it's sewn closed. Yeah, her little jacket, whoop, get it in the camera, is sewn closed. So even if I wanted to take her clothes off, I would have to snap that, because there's nothing in the back. It's not like it's, you know, you can take it out from the back. So you're stuck in that, girl. Does she have any underwear? No underwear. Wow. Okay. That's a little disappointing. I mean, she wasn't super expensive, but I mean, come on. You couldn't just stick a pair of undies on this girl? All right, so she's got a skirt. Can the skirt come off? Yeah, so the skirt looks like it comes off. It's Velcroed on there. And then she's got the little shirt underneath. There's a tag there. But this top, yeah, if I wanted to take that jacket off, I would have to snap or snip that thread, and I don't want to do that. If I were to do it, then probably this just comes apart, and I like how it looks now where it's together. It would have been nice if they had made it so there was like a little closure or something here. Her body, because her body tilts like, see that? So she's very tilty. Her hips are quite loose. But now there's no stand. Interesting. There is no stand for this chick. I have stands though I think will work for her. In fact, I bet a Blythe stand works. Let me go ahead and put her shoes on and her hair, her little hairband and everything, and we'll take some pictures. I'll see if I can find a stand for her. But that's her. Look how cute her face is. I mean, she's got little eyelashes there. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a line, there's like a white line here and then the black line. So she's got these oval eyes. Love the little lips and little rosy cheeks. She's just a sweet little doll. And I think she's going to look super cute with, I have a pull-up Fräulein that she is a tutor. You know, she is a governess type character. And I think this little doll next to her is going to look adorbs in my curio. That's one of the reasons why I've been wanting her. I just think she's going to fit in with the group over there. And, very happy, very happy. So even though I dreamed I would never get her, I did end up getting her. And if you guys would like to see everybody else's dream doll videos today, make sure you follow the hashtag. Just click on the hashtag that I have down below and check everybody else's dream videos. For those people who participated, thank you so much. And I will be having another, little collaboration next month for the month of August. In fact, our August theme is going to be beginnings. So next month in August, if you would like to join us, the theme will be beginnings. But this one is dream. Dream. Dream, dream, dream. All right, guys, have a wonderful Dolly day. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the